Hello students, in this session we will study about how to manage the files and folders, that is copying and moving the files. So here it is, this PC is there as a my computer. So double click on this and here you can see two drives are there. This is the C drive. Don't go to C drives. You click on D drive. Okay. So double click on this and you can see space here. In this, you right click on this space provided here, and this new is there. Go to the folder and click on this. So you can see here folder is created. You can give here any name. I am using here BCA first as the name of my folder. Okay, and it is created. So double click on this because we need to insert your inside your folders. So double click on this and you can see it is empty. Folder is empty. So now we are going to create some more folders here, because see here BCA1, in that only you are creating two more folders. So new, the same procedure you can follow here. Then folder, for this folder we are giving the name as the subject. We are creating your hierarchy. So subject, then next folder you can create here the practical folder. I am only showing how to manage the file and folder, how to copy it, moving one file to another file. The folder is the space used to store files and other folders. You can save here many files also, and also the folders if you want. Then shortcut on a computer also. For example, you can see the folders to store a document, graph, photographs, that is the physical way to store the paper and reports. Like that only we are using here folders to store the photographs, and you can store folder in folder. So why we need here the folders is because it helps you to keep your files organized and separate. If you had no folders on your computer, your documents, programs, and operating system files would all be located in the same place. Okay, and the folders also allow you to have more than one file with the same file name. If you created in this practical folder CF, like new new folder, if you gave your name as a CF, then you can create in this subject also CF. It will not confuse, it will allow you to do same name folder in both this. So it is available in both the folders, in subject also, in practical folder also. So we'll see hierarchy. CF folder is there. You can create here many folders, and also you can save here the files anywhere in your folder, that is respective folders. Minimize or you can close it. If you want to delete this folder, then simply click on this and then you press the delete key from your keyboard. So delete, it is automatically deleted. and then you can move from here also, or from this back button is there, you can press this back button. I'm considering, as you are from you, some of the students may not be able to do this, but some of you you already done this. You can delete from this also folders. So minimize button, then maximize button is there, restore it is called, or close button. You can close it from here. Go in the LibreOffice Writer, open this, double click on this. This is the shortcut to open. About LibreOffice, I told you already. That is, the LibreOffice includes several options that makes it the most versatile, free and open source. It can be used by anywhere. Like Microsoft Office is there. So as you seen that, it is same as that. So document writer, you directly use this. Okay, writer. From here, you can type here so I'm typed here some letters. So on the market, I have written here the LibreOffice. Okay, LibreOffice includes actually. In next session, we will see that how to do the variations, how to fill the variations with this text, how to font size increased in this, how the style make different for this text. So for now, we are going to save this. Save it is shortcut button is there, or you can move through. Okay, now you can save this file with the any name. This is the save a copy. Whatever you have typed here, you can save in this. So the folder is in D drive. Double click on this. So BCA first name, your folder, then the subject, anything, you can save it in practical folder. So you give your name as a CF assignment, or whatever you can give. That name is okay for this. Shortcut name I am using here. So here the LibreOffice is compatible with most of the common files, that is format from Microsoft Office, including XLSX and the DOCX, then the PPTX. It is also compatible with other non-Microsoft product formats. So here formats are there. In any format you can use, but it needs to open in all the computers. So I am using here ODF. It is the default extension. You need to save with the extension. So it is the default extension of this file. So save it. Save. whatever you have given the name for this file, it is shown here. Close it now. Again this PC. From here, if you want to open your file, go through the path where you saved it. In D drive, PC1, and then in practical folder. In practical folder, you have saved this file. So see here, again I am using, and this is your file. So you can use this file after in future. So if you want this file, CF file in the other that subject in subject folder, so you can click on this and then right click on this, move this file in the subject folder. So you can cut this. If you want copy of the same file, you can copy this file, or if you want this to cut this file and then paste it in subject file. If you don't want this file in practical folder, then you can cut this file and then paste it in a subject file. So I am using here copy. I'll show you how to copy it first, then back, then you go to subject, and then you have to paste it here. This is the CF. If you don't want in the practical folder, then click on this file. I'm using this already. I done with this copy and paste. You can cut this file from the practical folder, cut it, and then you can paste it in a subject. See this? See, I have pasted in subject folder. That's why it is not showing the paste as the in dark link. So for this, we seen how to manage with the files and folders. So I hope you understood this. If you have queries, you can ask me, or if you want. So for this session, this much. Thank you.